Okay, so in this example, I'm going to make some qualitative and some quantitative observations from the penny that I see on the screen here. So I'm going to start by making some qualitative, and I'm going to make 3 qualitative observations. So my first qualitative observation here, I notice when I look at this that I see that it is lustrous, or it has luster. That means that it is shiny. I can also observe that it is kind of an orange color or a coppery color. And then finally I can observe that I see Abe Lincoln on one side of this object. So all of those would be considered qualitative observations. I'm observing the qualities that this object has. So now I can make some quantitative observations. So I'm going to make some actual measurements or observe quantities here. So my first one, I can see here I've shown a ruler. I'm going to be measuring using the centimeter side. I'm doing that because in science we always use our international units of measurement, which in this case would be centimeters, millimeters, so our metric measurements. And I notice if I start at 0 on the left hand side and go to the right hand side that this object has a diameter of 3.0 centimeters. My second quantitative observation is if I go through and I count all of these columns, I notice that there are 12 columns in the image. In the image on the right hand side, or on the back side of this coin. And also if I put this on a scale, I can measure that it has a mass of 2.5 grams. Based on all of these observations that I've made, I can conclude, or I can infer, my inference here, or conclusion, is that this is a penny. All right.